Okay, so this concept is a fairly interesting one. I call it barriers, pricing barriers, commitment barriers. And whenever we have a sales funnel, a journey that the customer is going through, each step has a certain barrier height to it. Is it the strong barrier or is it the weak barrier? I usually want to have very low barrier funnels, which means that new customers have it fairly easy, fairly low risk to try out the product, to experience the aha moment, to get their hands on their first product. And also the next steps, the upsells, the longer term retentions, the subscription models, they should be fairly low barrier as well. And when you have a look at the value ladder, for example, I want to have a gradually slightly increasing size of these different values. I want to get them into my business for really cheap, for 9 euros or 39 euros or 69 euros. And once they have experienced the product, they've seen the value, and we've demonstrated that we can really help them, then the next decision shouldn't be a 1,000 euro, 2,000 euro product. It should be a 100 euro product, a 200 euro product. And once they have that, then they maybe sign up for a 100, 200 euro a month flexible subscription plan. And once they had that for a couple of months or years, then they can join the high price mastermind, the high price coaching. So I want to have these very well crafted, low barrier, low risk funnels where at each different step in the customer journey, it's again a friendly, low risk and just a very friendly way these purchase decisions are made. And there's a lot to talk about. I can give you a couple of examples. For example, when we started split testing, different offers, different pricing ideas, generally the consensus was that the easier and low risk, the cheaper it is for the customer to experience the first aha moment, the lower your CPA costs will be. So instead of selling a 40-piece supplement bag, we started to sell a 5-piece, 10-piece, kind of starter kit, testing kit. And that worked really well, brought in a lot of new customers fairly cheap. But obviously, you can only do this kind of approach if you have a really good product. And you see a lot of these high-price coaching consultants, they don't do that. They have extremely high barriers where they try to sell to absolute cold customers a 5,000 euro, 10,000 euro product where there's absolutely no chance to test it. There's no money back guarantee. There's nothing like this because the product is just so bad that they have to do it in this way. Otherwise, they will never get long-term customers. Imagine if your product is really, really bad and you try to make this funnel extremely friendly, make it low risk, make people test it for free and offer them 30-day, 60-day, 100-day money back guarantees and all that. And if your product doesn't hold true to that and is actually not doing anything good for the customer, they will return and they will not sign up for the higher price products. You won't get the high CLTV and you will be unprofitable with your marketing. So whenever there's a high barrier somewhere, you can become a bit suspicious. Why are they doing this in this way? Why are they trying to get me into a 12-month contract? Or why are they trying to sell me so high prices here when I haven't tried and experienced the product for myself yet? Maybe they know that once I experience it, I'm not going to buy. So that's why they have to do it in this way. Obviously, that's not the kind of business that we're trying to build. We want to build highly transformative, highly friendly, very good businesses that have a great product, that can build brand trust over time, and that can generate an authentic high CLTV that is based on customer satisfaction and not on customer exploitation. So these are the kind of businesses that we built, and the barriers is a very interesting concept to keep in mind when designing these value ladders, these customer journeys.